Good afternoon. Thank you for joining me. Attorney Peter Angelis from Alexander & Angelis PC. I thought today would be a nice day to drop another video. It's nice and beautiful here, sunny here in Detroit. We're waiting for winter to end, and I wore my three-piece suit today to go to court, which doesn't happen all that often now that the courts are conducting everything by Zoom. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about an interesting case that I saw that was published by the U.S. District Court, Eastern District of Michigan here in Detroit. It was a fraud claim. The case was brought by Hartford Insurance Company against a surgical center, an ambulatory surgical center here in the Detroit metropolitan area that caters to what they call victims of motor vehicle accident cases. It came to the attention of the insurance company, Hartford, that this ambulatory surgical center was billing for a procedure under a CPT code that corresponded to a $14,000 charge. After the insurance company did some investigation into this procedure, it was determined that the correct CPT code, which is the billing code, should have only corresponded to a charge of $128. Because this was no surgery at all, it was for an application, basically just an application of a device on the back of the ear that involved no anesthesia and no surgery whatsoever. After discovery was done, Hartford brought a motion on behalf of their company, and the federal judge issued a fully favorable decision on behalf of the insurance company, awarding Hartford in excess of $650,000 for fraud. So the takeaway to this decision, if you're an insurance company adjuster, is to make sure that you've associated yourself with a very well-qualified medical review vendor, somebody that knows about the CPT codes, knows what codes are permissible to be paid here in the state of Michigan. Michigan has also adopted a fee schedule for medical procedures and medical services, which is something that was adopted in 2021, which is a good thing for our state. So if you are associated as an adjuster with a very good medical review vendor, they should understand what the procedures are for, what the correct procedure codes are, and what the correct corresponding rate should be for that procedure. If you're a claimant, if you're going to consume these medical services, you've been involved in a car accident, you should make sure that your medical provider is billing the services rendered to you at the correct rate so that your insurance company is not being overbilled. If your medical provider is billing at the incorrect rate, that could end up delaying the resolution of your claim. It also could call your claim into question if you're using a medical provider that's unscrupulously billing for services rendered. So if you have any questions regarding correct billing codes, correct billing procedures, or possibly if you were the victim of a fraud by this surgical center, please give us a call. The type of procedure was called a P-STEM for stimulant procedure, P-STIM procedure, P-STEM procedure. If you have any questions regarding this issue or any other Michigan no-fault issue, please feel free to give our office a call. I'm Attorney Peter Angelis at Alexander & Angelis, 248-290-5600. Thank you.